Welcome, entrepreneurs and startup visionaries. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of crafting an impactful pitch deck, using visuals effectively. Visuals are more than aesthetic enhancements. They are powerful tools that elevate your storytelling and captivate your audience. Let's explore how to harness the power of visuals in your pitch deck. Firstly, think about purposeful imagery. Choose images that amplify your message. Each visual should have a clear purpose, whether to underscore a point, evoke emotions, or validate your claims. Data visualization is key. Complex data can be intimidating, but charts, graphs, and infographics can transform it into something accessible and engaging. Use these tools to simplify your data and make it appealing. Maintain brand consistency in your visuals. Ensure that your visuals' colors, fonts, and style align with your brand identity. This consistency is crucial for reinforcing your brand and enhancing professionalism. Adopt a less is more approach. Avoid overwhelming your slides with too many visuals. Aim for a balance where visuals support and enhance your content, not overshadow it. Prioritize quality over quantity. It's better to have a few high-quality visuals than many low-quality ones. Opt for clarity and impact in your visual choices. Use visuals to tell a story. Sequential imagery or flowcharts can be excellent for illustrating processes, timelines, or journeys. This storytelling approach can make your content more relatable and memorable. If possible, include interactive elements. Clickable infographics or short videos can add a dynamic layer to your pitch, making it more engaging and unforgettable. Lastly, be culturally sensitive with your visuals. Ensure that your imagery is appropriate and respectful to diverse audiences. This mindfulness can enhance the universality and appeal of your pitch. Effective visual communication can transform your pitch deck from a mere presentation to a compelling and memorable narrative. It's about using visuals as decoration and strategic tools to enhance your storytelling and engage your audience. Let's make your visuals speak as powerfully as your words in your pitch deck.